Hello everybody, Chad here. Time to give you your weekly update on what's going on. We have bees. So Emily and I just got done installing our bee nucleus. Emily's still in her bee accoutrement. How did you like the bee installation?
It went very smoothly.
Well, there was no angry swarms of bees.
No angry swarms. Nobody died.
I admittedly thought there was going to be many angry bees. And there was not too many angry bees. But one or two when I hit the box, that was about it.
Everything was good.
Yeah, I'll go show them the pumpkin patch. We had the cameras rolling just in case I kind of freaked out and went on a tirade. That admittedly would have been funny and scary at the same time. So, back to pumpkins. In other gardening, as you could see, something has been done. Something big has been done. But we'll go check out the garden first. So the garden has been expanding. When we got back from vacation, I finished the watering system. So now I have 4 zones. We planted our tomatoes. So we got 8 tomatoes. We got some cucumbers. We've got some zucchinis, our pepper plants. A lot of the pepper plants died that I had planted before vacation. We had some hail, and those did not like the hail. Or pickling cucumbers and normal cucumbers with our little trellis. Lettuce, kale, lettuce is doing good. More lettuces, those are still doing good. The Swiss chard's finally starting to take off. Planted some corn down there, kind of excited. Hopefully the corn goes. And then we planted some beets for you, Grandma. However, they came in I bought those ones, and they came like all clumped together, and I tried to separate them. And it doesn't look like they appreciated that too much, so I'm not 100% positive that those will make it. But the big news is, ta-da, is Emily taking off her bee suit? No. Really, the big news is we got the screen on the screen house, which I am exceedingly excited about because the temperatures are going to be our lows, are what I'm talking about. Our lows are going to be in the 50s. It's not going to get below 60. And my hot huts are really, if it's going to be in the 40s or whatnot, 40s and very low 50s, but for the most part it's going to be in the mid 50s. So I think I'm going to take the hot huts off in the next day or two because they just get so hot during the day that I think they do more harm than good. So let's go over the plants. These are the 1937 Uranus. They're both looking great. I would say I give that one on the end there at edge. It's a little bit more viney. This one's doing good though. I'll probably let these go until I would say maybe next, not this coming Tuesday, but next Tuesday when I'm off and I can have time to really kind of evaluate them and pick a winner. This is the 1718 Sejas. This hot hut in particular, because of its orientation, typically our wind goes from west to east, and this is north and south. So this plant just gets a little bit hotter. This one in particular, I will just take this hot hut off right now. Almost dropped it. That would have been bad. So, boom. All right, so that hot hut is off that plant. I don't see a whole lot of value in it for me. I do have my lights in here, keeping it warm at night, but during the day, it's doing more harm than good. With the light, we're trying to not shut the plant down at nighttime and keep it growing, but I think I shut it down worse during the day because it's hotter. So I'm picking the lesser of two evils. This is my best looking plant. I really like the yellow on the vine there. Maybe it'll be a nice orange pumpkin. This is again the 1718, which is a 1317 Clemens crossed with the 2096 Wallace. And then over here, I have the back over in that corner is the 2000 Pingree. That one is double vined. I pinched off the double vine this morning, and I'm still giving him a chance to survive. The second 2000 Pingree just did not flourish at all right off the get-go, and I didn't plant him in the patch. This is my other 1718 Seha, because that one was doing so good. I wanted to put that other one singularly. And then these two are the 2043 Clements plants. Both looking really good. The roots on these plants were super aggressive. I only planted these on Sunday, and today is Wednesday, so you could see there's a little bit of a, get my finger in frame, the edge is a little bit yellowed, and the leaves in general are a little lighter green than I want. So I'm going to start giving them just a little bit of nitrogen, just a bit, just to green them up a little bit. You could see the leaves, like especially on this 1718, you know, nice and green, not so green. These leaves need to get like these leaves, and they need to get not droopy. But yeah, it'll get there. It'll get there. It's an older plant that had to acclimatize, and transplanting bigger plants is harder. They just don't take it as well as young plants. But look at that. So my neighbor Jamie came over and helped me out, helped me pull the screen real tight. So if we get any freak hailstorms, I don't even want to say the other S word, hopefully this will be strong enough. The wiggle wire is doing really good. All I need to do is secure the bottoms, but it's on good enough for me to take the hot huts off and be confident. That's the other purpose of these, that no rabbits or anything will come in here. This side of the patch has been tilled. This patch, this side, still has to be tilled. So I'll probably do that again. Unfortunately, I have to work 10 days in a row, which is not a big deal. I just got on vacation, so I have to cover everybody who helps me out. But that means I won't have much pumpkin time the next week and a half. But that's it, guys. Everything is going well. The weather's been great. Yeah, hopefully next time I give you guys an update, all of the hot huts will be down. They should be. And all the vines will be on the ground and running. Those ones, the California plants, I put these two next to one another because these are both Napa growers. So I figure I'll keep the California plants on one side. And, well, technically there's two California plants and some Michigan plants. So that's all I got for you. Hope everybody's pumpkin season and just summer is going great so far. If you ever need anything, feel to reach out. Questions, comments, queries, and concerns are always welcomed. Get out there and grow a giant pumpkin.